Okay, boys and girls, here we go. A quick little tutorial video on how we will be recording directly into ItsLearning or possibly importing videos into ItsLearning instead of using Flipgrid. I know Flipgrid has been wonderful for many of you, but it's been a headache for enough of you that we are going to say goodbye to Flipgrid and just jump into our old friend ItsLearning. So the way this is going to work is just like you can see, I'm in the 6th grade Bobcat Theater Arts course, but it works for everybody the same way. As you can see, I'm viewing it as a pupil, just like you will see. So if I come up here, I can go into plans or I can find it, but here is first period's test to replace Flipgrid. You see these little purple and orange chat boxes or chat bubbles, those represent a discussion. So we'll be using a discussion here. So it's not an assignment, it's a little bit different. But as you can see, each time it'll tell you exactly what's going in there. It gives you a little bit of a script of what you should be doing, just like our assignments in Flipgrid, but this time it's a discussion. So there you go. So you will start a new thread every time. And in here, you can just call it, you know, like Harkins Flipgrid test, or in your case, you might put Jones Flipgrid test or Sanchez Flipgrid test, whatever it might be. Then when you're down here, you don't even really need to type anything in here as long as you have your name and what it is in the subject, because what you're going to be doing is recording. And when you record, you need to use this little icon right here that looks like video camera and it says new video recording. You click on that and it'll look very much like Flipgrid, so you can record directly in here. You can also upload directly, so if you have it recorded somewhere else, you can click on upload a recording and then bring it in from your PC or whatever it might be. But generally speaking, you're just going to record directly into it. So I'll start a recording right here and it'll give you a countdown just like Flipgrid, and you'll start. Good morning, my name is Mr. Harkins and I will be performing my Flipgrid replacement test. My name is Kelly Harkins, and on a freezing day like this, I really enjoy breakfast tacos, like eggs, chorizo, and queso, whatever it might be. But I like something really warm and hearty. Maybe add some potatoes in there. That's what I really enjoy. Now, you'll notice that there's a time limit of 10 minutes. You're not going to come to your 10 minutes on any project we do. You'll also notice that this little stop button didn't pop up until after 10 seconds. The reason why it didn't start is because it pop up until after 10 seconds is because you need to actually do the work, not just record something and then act like you did it. You need to actually do something. Anyway, I'll stop here. It takes a while to upload and to, but no different than Flipgrid. It takes a little bit of a while, but goes pretty quick because it's going directly into ItsLearning. Should take a little bit less time. It verifies for a second, and then of course, once you're done, you can give it a quick little name. Here we go, Flipgrid replacement. There we go. And you can retry it if you didn't like it, or just save it, which is what I would prefer you do. Now, before you click save down here, it's just going to show up here and it'll say unknown object. But once you click save, it will magically be there and says Harkins Flipgrid test. And look, just like ItsLearning always does, it gives us a nice little timestamp of when you posted it. And we, like Flipgrid, when you're recording yours, you can go back and you'll be able to look at everybody else's videos as well. But remember, every time you need to start your own new thread, not just comment on someone else's. So start a new thread. Okay, and that's about it. All right, have a great day.